guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another plant video. I'm not having the best day ever, so I'm really happy that this plant has come in the mail. This is my first order ever from Gardino's nursery. I got a Hoya neocaledonica, I think that's how you say it, and I am really excited. I only allowed myself one plant this month, and this is the plant. I am really sad because I was actually between two plants while I was making this order, but the other plants sold out on me, and I wish I would have just bought both of them and not debated it at all. So I did just end up getting this one plant. I was only supposed to buy one plant anyway, but yeah, I'm really happy. This is the first time that I've ever ordered from Gardino's nursery, so I figured I would open up the box with you. So that's what we're doing, and let's just start opening it. Okay, so it looks like they have a bunch of packing peanuts in here. We're not the biggest fan of packing peanuts here because they get everywhere. So I'm just going to start pulling the plant out. So they do have a little instruction sheet here where they do say if there are any problems or damage with your plant, you do have 7 days to contact them. So that's nice. We're gonna move this out of the way and we're gonna get to opening this guy. Oh my goodness. So I think that they packaged that really well. They have these little wormies. I don't know what to call them. They're like little paper worms, and they've put that on top of the soil to keep the soil from coming out of the pot. Look how pretty the plant is. Okay, one, I'm really happy because you can tell that the plant is coming out with new growth. Two, I don't see any yellow leaves or damage or anything, so that's really exciting. I'm a little impressed. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little impressed. Am I gonna be ordering again from Gardino's? Definitely, 100% yes. If I can get a plant on there, I'm gonna get a plant on there. And the next time that they restock, I'm probably gonna get my other plant. They have really good prices on their site, in my opinion. Okay, so this plant is so much cuter and just more than I expected, I guess. I don't know. I saw the pictures online and I knew that the foliage was gonna look really cute like this, but it has these really adorable veins, and the shape of the leaf is just super cute. It kind of reminds me of a fat fishy eye. I think that's what I'm imagining when I see it. But I'm really happy because look at that new leaf. There's also some new growth that's coming in right there on that stem. So I'm really happy. I tried not to get my hopes up for this because I know that so many people rave about Gardino's, but I guess I just didn't. Oh my god, is that a peduncle? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I thought that was just a stem that had come up and they had chopped off because they either propagated or something, or the leaves came off. But no, that is a peduncle. That is definitely a peduncle with a spur. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, my day was totally made better by this plant. Plants are so awesome. I love plants so much. I'm so happy. I did not expect this to have a peduncle on it. It was $20 on their website. Again, this is a Hoya neocaledonica. It's not one of those plants that really gets talked about a lot, but I thought the foliage was pretty. It was also under the fragrant flowers list, and the flowers are super cute, and they're this really kind of yellowy, or a beige yellowy color with I think pink in the middle. It's so cute. Apparently, according to Doug Chamberlain, I was watching one of his videos with the Hoya neocaledonica, and he said that these are actually like not that difficult to grow, and they're also not that difficult to make flowers. So that's why I decided that I was going to go with this one. I'm so much happier now knowing that there's a peduncle on it. It's also just super cute. Again, this wasn't on my wish list. I just bought it because I was feeling the itch and the need and the urge to buy something, and I've never bought on Gardinos before, so I figured I would. This was actually in their restock yesterday because today is Friday. It seems like it is kind of a more common restock for them to provide for you guys, but it's a really pretty plant. I couldn't be more happy with this plant. I am really happy with how fast it shipped. I don't know if I said it, but I did order this on the 16th. It shipped out on the 20th, and today is the 24th. So it came pretty quickly to me after I ordered it, and I'm very happy with the order. I'm definitely planning on ordering from Gardinos again. 100% they have probably one of the best prices out there for websites that sell Hoya. They ship quickly, they packaged really nicely, they have really nice plants. I've heard a lot of great things about them. So after this one experience, I'd say I definitely recommend them. Let me know what your experiences are down below. I'm sure a lot of my Hoya heads have probably ordered from Gardinos too. They do restock every Thursday. They don't have a specific time that they restock, so you do have to kind of stalk the website a little bit, and the website does get a little bit slow when they are restocking, so you just have to be patient. Your time will come, I promise. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button down below, and if you like me or you like plant videos, go ahead and subscribe if you want to. But that's gonna be it for today's video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!